and we would, be able to focus on our core expertise, which our business is based on, and drive the business. Okay. Let someone who's pretty expert into, writing those codes, and yes, we can collaborate with them. um, so that's what my take would be. I would prefer, going with the external stuff. In terms of collaboration with the research institutes or something like that, that's something workable. But in case of our domain, already there's, a lot of vendors available who have great expertise, great information available to them, and we could be just sort of using it, and it kind of like, speeds up our go live scenario.
So as far as my company goes, right, I mean, the technology itself enables what we do, and so there is no question, and that's basically our core competency, right? And so there is no question of outsourcing it, because if you outsource your core competency, then I mean, then there is nothing, there's pretty much nothing left. And so I think that's the core difference. So there will always be a set of companies where, I mean, these kind of technologies are their core competency, and they would not want to outsource. Versus in a lot of other cases where they are using these technologies to improve their processes and bring in more efficiencies. And it may not be the, I mean, although the processes might be their core process, but then, I mean, the technology, I mean, they're not necessarily technology companies. And so for them, it might make sense to not build that level of competency inside, and they might want to go with third-party vendors. In terms of collaborating with universities, I think that is something that we would definitely like to do, especially if there is interest. And because the problem that we are trying to solve, it's not like a solved problem. We are, I mean, we are trying to detect appliances from the energy waveform, and we are able to detect certain appliances, but we still miss on a lot of appliances. And so there is still a huge opportunity, and yeah, and so collaboration would definitely be helpful in that sense.
I think there are three kinds of collaboration we're talking about here. One is collaborating with the bigger players in the market, the Googles and the Microsoft. I think, for example, we use TensorFlow in everything that we do now in machine learning. TensorFlow, by the way, is a machine learning open source